Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have Lincoln Town Car, I believe from 2000. This is for 2007, but I believe Lincoln Town Car 98, 99, 2001, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Anyhow, generally, the key with the same door cylinder. Okay, if you have this key, you have this door cylinder and you want to make a key, yeah, you can calculate the key. There's a tool that you can do to calculate the key and cut it. First of all, Lincoln Town Car have, let me do that. This is the key. So this is the tip of the key and here is the shoulder. So I don't want to take it like this. It's better to put any kind of key so that the tumbler does not disturb and run away from you. I am going to get a what they call a blank key. This is a blank key. So the blank key, I'm gonna put it in to facilitate this can come out. Now we have cuts. This is the key. So the tip of the key, say this is the key like this. No, I don't do it good, but okay, here you're gonna start from here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This key have 8 cut. On the cylinder we have only 6, so we have here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm missing 7 and 8. So now I'm gonna try to get those numbers. It is very simple. Try to take them one by one. Sometimes just by look at it like this, you know what it is. But I don't want to take risk. So let me take one at a time. Read it and put it back. Get any tools that help you. This one here. Sometimes it's not easy to go out. Okay. I'm going to take this one out first. Read it and see what it is. Get something a little bit stronger. If I'm able to get those cuts, I will be able to generate the door. So this is one. I'm gonna get some glasses to read it. This one here. Gonna get a magnifier. I don't see nothing here. This is 1. So the first cut is 1. You can say here 1, 2. I'm going to put it back. This one here maybe needs some adjustment. It's kind of dirty. Okay, this is 1. I'm gonna go to the next. This is the second one. You know, people have remotes and they don't use door cylinder a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna look at this one, clean it and see what number it has. This also 1. So I have 1, 1. Yeah, 1. So we have to clean those. So we have 1, 1. Put them together like this. Then go to the other one. Through here. One what? 112. So we have 1 1 2. So this is 2. So now we're gonna go to this one. So we have from 1 to 6. Computer will calculate the rest. It's not clear here. 3. So this is 3. So this is 3. 1 2 3 4. So I have 5 and 6. I can make the key, then bring the car here, do the rest. Number 5. One. So this is 1. Number 5. 1 1 2 3 1. Okay. 1 1 2 3 1. Okay. What is the last one? This is 2. Wow, small numbers. Here, this is 2. So the last one is 2. This thing need to be fixed, need to be cleared. So the last one is 2. 1 2 3 4. Oh, I forget to 1 2 3 4 5. So this one 2. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 is 2. So I have 1 1 2 3 1 2. 1 1 2 3 1 2. Makes sense? I just want to be sure that if I take this one out and put it back, I took both of them and put them back, it's okay. So 1 1 2 3 1 2. I just want to be sure that this is the right way. This is the right one. This is 2. Just be sure. One. So it makes sense. We're gonna clean this one. So now I'm missing 1 2 3 4 5 6. I'm missing 7 and 8. How I'm gonna get this? That's fine. There is some app that you can go on it and put the spin, and it will give you the probability what is there. Okay, these 2. Then you're gonna cut the key based on it. So now I'm gonna put those back. I want to check, be sure that it is exactly what I saw there, what I write it. Is 1. Need to be clean. The second one from the other side. Be sure you take the right one, which is 1 2. It's 1. So 1 1. Even if you put here, you see 1 1 is never go. They never fight. Only the last one here is 2, but all of them they are safe. So 2 3, maybe 1. They are all good. So now I have this one here. 1 2. Number 4 is 3. No, 2. 1 2. So yeah, the third one is 2. Good. And then 3. Is that 3? Stamp on it if you want to see it here. It's 3. Okay. If you put this in, it will not turn. it will not turn, you see. But I'm going to cut one now and it will turn. So I'm going to calculate I will calculate the cuts. How I'm going to calculate it is very simple. You can go to any program, you put those pin code and it will give you the pin. I'm going to do it right now. Stay with us.